Hello and welcome to News Extreme. I'm Cindy Lopez with breaking updates. Trump grants tariff exemptions for electronics as global tech tensions escalate. Stay tuned for a full analysis. In a major policy shift, the Trump administration has announced a tariff exemption for a wide range of electronic imports, easing some of the pressure on the technology industry following the implementation of 145% tariffs on Chinese goods. According to a late notice from U.S. Customs and Border Protection, key electronics, including smartphones, computer monitors, and various components, will no longer be subject to the reciprocal tariff policy. The exemption is retroactive for shipments arriving in the U.S. or leaving warehouses starting April 5th. This decision follows growing concerns over how these tariffs could affect American consumers and major tech companies like Apple, which manufactures the vast majority, up to 90% of its iPhones and other products in China. Analysts at Wedbush Securities and Counterpoint Research have warned that once Apple's 6-week inventory supply in the US runs out, prices would surge, impacting millions of consumers. President Trump hinted at possible carve-outs while speaking to reporters aboard Air Force One last Friday, saying, "There could be a couple of exceptions for obvious reasons, but I would say 10% is a floor." Still, the administration defends the broader tariff move as part of its long-term goal to bring manufacturing back to the US and reduce dependency on foreign production. However, industry experts say not all goods can be easily made domestically. Semiconductors and microchips, for example, are largely produced in Asia, where companies like TSMC, Samsung, and SK Hynix dominate the market. These components, now exempt from tariffs, remain essential to everything from smartphones to defense systems. Interestingly, TSMC, the world's largest chipmaker, is currently building fabrication plants in Arizona, a project initiated during Trump's first term. Despite this, the president has accused Taiwan of stealing America's chip industry, even as the US relies on Taiwanese firms for supply. Meanwhile, economists continue to caution that the broader tariff strategy could raise costs for consumers, especially for big-ticket items like cars and electronics. As a result, consumer sentiment has dropped sharply, and buyers are rushing to make purchases before prices rise. Stay tuned to News Extreme for more updates on trade, tech, and economic policy.